There are a few ways to get Microsoft Excel. Best is if you can purchase the software and install it on your computer. But you can also access it on the web. You can directly install it on your phone also. So let me show you all the different methods. When you go to office.com, you will see that Office is now called Microsoft 365. You can get Microsoft 365 simply by clicking here and check out all the plans they have. They have a family plan which you can use for 1 to 6 people, but you have to pay an annual fee for it. You can also get a personal copy where only one person can install it. So you could do this. You can pay yearly or you can pay monthly. If you don't want to pay a monthly or annual fee, you can also purchase it by paying a one-time fee. So here you can go down below the family plans. If you keep scrolling down, you will find the pay one-time Office for home and business buy now. This is a one-time purchase for your PC or Mac. You can also get Excel for the web for free. All you need to do is to go to Products, Excel, and here you can see you can access Excel on the web. Simply sign in with a Microsoft account. You can create one if you don't have it, and once you set up an account, you can directly go to Excel and be able to create a blank workbook, work on it, and even save the work. Excel on the web is quite similar to the desktop version, but in this course we will be focusing on the desktop version. You could also install Excel on your mobile phone. All you need to do is to go to the App Store or the Android Store, Play Store, depending on whether you use the iPhone or the Android phone, and simply go to the store and download the Excel application. So I hope you have got Excel now, and let's get started. Because we have a management meeting coming up and we need to prepare the data for our management. Let's get started.